Hi folks, this is Patrick and I'm going to show the array tool we have. The array tool allows you to make multiple copies of a single object or multiple objects, but multiple copies of something selected in multiple directions and at a set distance from each other. So it's much easier to see than to describe, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. To do this functionality, I come to the bottom, the edit, and pick that array tool, which is already pre-selected here. And so I come select the object that I want to array. I'm going to pick this battery shape, and it's going to show me the last used default. I'm going to change that a bit, and I do that by clicking on these various numbers. In the case of the second row, I want to change that distance between them, so I tap on the 6 and make it 5. Same thing in the other direction. I'm going to tap on that 9, and I'm going to say 5. Like that. Right now, I have 3 in this horizontal direction and 2 in the vertical direction. If I want to add more, all I do is grab a hold of one of those green arrowheads and start dragging down. And when it hits that distance predefined, it'll show a new row. Now I can do the same thing in the horizontal. You can see I could very easily fill up a whole space just by dragging. Once I like that, I can come down and hit the blue check mark. I can also make a step backwards and just get completely out of this operation with those other 2 icons. But I'm going to click on the blue check mark because I'm finished with that. There you go. I have this initial equidistant placement of all these things. Now there's nothing to stop me at this point from actually moving or removing or whatever the case on individual or multiple of these. But it does set you up initially like that. So that is the drag your finger kind of mode. I'm going to get rid of some of these guys and show a different mode for array, and that's you just type in a number rather than dragging your finger. So for the second one, it's using the same option. So I'm going to come click edit. Array's already selected. But before I go select the battery, I want to come down to this small little dialog at the bottom and tap on the icon on the left, and it's going to adjust the mode. So in this case, what I can do is type in a number that I want shown, or here I can do a number as well. I click the check mark to finalize, and there you go.